Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by acting fast. Inventory every user, role, and connected identity so you know what exists and why. Once done, enable multi-factor authentication on all admin and privileged logins to prevent account takeover. Then create a minimal, least privilege policy baseline and attach it to groups, not individuals, so you reduce blast radius. Make sure to document exceptions. You'll refine them later, but this gives you immediate protection and a clear place to continue from. You now implement role-based access control. Map duties to roles and assign service roles for automation so permissions align with function. Next, add conditional policies. For example, restrict sensitive actions by IP range, device posture, or time of day to lower risk. After that, apply permission boundaries and explicit deny-by-default rules to stop privilege escalation. Make sure to test each change in a staging account. This prevents accidental lockouts and clarifies why a permission did or did not work. You finish by automating provisioning and scheduled access reviews so permissions don't drift over time. Automation enforces consistency. Then enable continuous logging and real-time alerts, coupled with anomaly detection, so you spot misuse quickly and trace actions back to their source. Maintain a documented break glass account and runbook for emergencies. If something goes wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is to check recent policy changes and conditional constraints first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.